It turns out there are square starfish, and I just honestly couldn't believe this. It turns out it comes from a very rare birth defect which disrupts the normal symmetry of their body form, but it's actually quite bad for the starfish. It hinders their ability to forage, to move, to escape predators, and also to regenerate parts of their body, which they're usually quite good at. Now, it's extremely rare, and so it really hasn't been studied. And the exact cause isn't really known. It's not very well understood. But all I can imagine is some poor little starfish going on his first day to school, and just all the other kids or all the other little starfish are just ripping into him because he's just a bloody square. And he just goes home. His mum's there like, "Oh, don't worry, son. We're all quite unique in our own way." And he just looks at him and he's just a square. It's just completely ridiculous. And it's just so brutal because they are literally called starfish. It's the one thing that they have, the one thing, their whole identity as a species from what we've named them is starfish. And it's just a square. How do you explain to your little starfish baby that they're a square? Now, as always, you just got to be slightly careful with everything you read on the internet, because it turns out there are actually species of starfish called biscuit starfish that have very similar body forms to sort of the square starfish. They have this flattened shape. They literally do look like biscuits made in the shape of starfish, but that is normal. They are not square starfish. So you just got to be careful about that distinction.